Welcome, first episode of Find Your Wild, the web series which is going to have all the tips and tricks for you to get out into nature and explore the wild. Now, as it's the first episode, and as with everything you do throughout your entire life, you need to know why you're doing it.
Why, God?
Now, there are buttloads of reasons to get out into the wild, and they range from physical benefits to mental benefits to social benefits. Your physical benefits, it is exhausting.
It's really hilly. Now.
How you feeling?
Well, that was a bit of a slog. It's tiring. I'm halfway up a mountain now, and I'm thinking about chopping my legs off. But it does mean that when I'm back in the office, it doesn't feel anywhere near as hard as it normally does. The physical benefits of going out and exploring are pretty obvious. The more you move, the better your body works.
Move your legs. We're gonna sweat.
It's that simple. And nothing makes you move in a more natural and wholesome way than getting out into the wild. Not like going to the gym where you're doing the exact same movement patterns over and over and over again. And you're moving every single muscle in your body. Not only is constantly moving good for your body, but the air quality out in the wild is way better than you'll find in any town or city. Beyond physical reasons, there's a whole load of mental reasons as to why wild camping and being out on an adventure is good for you. Scientific studies that show that just 20 minutes out in nature or out in the wild on an adventure will reduce your stress hormones.
F you, science.
The reduced stress hormones and the increased serotonin will lead to better physical health as well. Gets you away from technology, which is probably the biggest reason why I get stressed at the moment. Turn the news on, it's just doom and gloom, isn't it? Everywhere you go.
Right at 11.
Obvious physical and mental benefit, but how is going out into the wild by yourself a social event? Well, there are, funny enough, other people on this mountain, it's not just me. I can almost guarantee you that every single one of those is going to be a nice, friendly person who I will almost definitely stop and have a chat to. And also social media nowadays, if you go on Facebook or Instagram or on YouTube, you'll find loads of like-minded people who share the exact same hobbies and interests as you. I can give you 100 more reasons as to why wild camping and reconnecting with nature will benefit you, but ultimately it comes down to what you are interested in. If you have never tried anything like this before, go out and try it. If it's your thing, you're gonna love it. It's gonna be with you for the rest of your life. If you hate it, doesn't matter, you gave it a go. At the end of every single Find Your Wild episode, I'm gonna give you one main tip to follow. The tip for why you should wild camp is go out and find a reason. Try it. If you don't love it, then you can have your money back. You haven't paid any money for this, so haha, technically I'm not lying. So, I'm going to carry on cracking on with this mountain. If you haven't seen the full episode, it is the Kader Idris one. I'll put a link in the comments below if you want to see the whole adventure. But until the next episode, have fun finding your wild.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try.
Okay, gimbal just died on me.